Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Wirma Muhardillah. You can call me Wirma. I'm from the elementary school teacher education program. In this video, I'm going to complete an assessment for the English for elementary school course. The text is to write an article English. I hope this video will be useful and inspiring for all of you. Article: The use of teaching proficiency, direct reading and storytelling (TPRS) in teaching reading narrative text. Introduction: Reading is one of the most complex language skills for learners to master, especially in the context of EFL, English as a foreign language. There's grad student of SMP Negeri 5 Langsa still got difficulties in comprehending reading text, especially in reading narrative text. Numerous techniques in teaching reading have tried, such as teaching grammar, asking students to memorize the vocabularies, memorize dialogues, etc. However, this method yielded limited improvements in student reading comprehension. Language is too complex to be taught using traditional teaching methods. According to Class Karen Abukatala 2013. The only way that's work is giving the student mistakes they understand collect comprehensible input. I says the student acquires language when they understand what people convey, not how it is conveyed. Therefore, it is important to find a method that is interesting and suitable to develop their understanding. There is a method which is considered the most relevant to Krasher's theory about compressible input, that is teaching proficiency, direct writing and storytelling (TPRS). The TPRS method is based on the natural approach. TPRS theory is highly effective and considered as the most successful method in enhancing student fluency, vocabulary, listening, reading, and writing skills. Muzami and Andy, 2017. TPRS focuses on developing student understanding by using gestures, body movement, and visual experience. Reading can help the process of language acquisition. I can be used as a medium to learn a new language. Reading is highly essential, which I fetch the competence of reading comprehension including vocabulary building, spelling, and grammar competence. In the Indonesia EFL. EFL context where a text-based curriculum is probably prevalent, aligning those theories with classroom practice becomes a challenge. By combining these approaches, TPRS method, the teacher can make reading materials more comprehensible for students. Whereas provides a lot of input-based activities where the student are not forecast to speak or write. Students can learn in higher election learning and environment where they are encouraged to speak good, not forget, so that the effective filter can be placed at the minimum level. The TPRS method was found by Bainirai in the late 1980 as the development of the TPRS, Total Physical Response method. Initially, the implementation of TPRS in classroom research faced challenges, particularly because its creator, Brian Wright, was practitioner rather than an academic researcher. This as classroom as a differentiation. Therefore, this method keeps evolving and each teacher has their own way to implement this TPRS method based on the situation and characteristics their student. The researchers have been doing studies on this method based on the main principles of this method. That is providing a lot of compatible input using repetition, vocabulary, and grammar structure are taught multiple times so that students can understand those vocabularies and grammar. There's are only a small amount of research about CPRS, especially the effects of TPRS student reading skill. Most of the research about TPRS explains the effects of TPRS on vocabulary acquisition, dictionary 2020. Founded the use of TPRS can help in student vocabulary recollections. 2022 believes that undergraduate foreign student vocabulary growth can be exhibited through TPRS, CARA, and Every Aidin 2000, 2019. Provided that TPRs can be used to frame learners and it can help them in this the process of vocabulary acquisition. CPRs can also be used to develop speaking skill and fluency since it can increase motivation in the learning process by reducing negative feelings in activation syllabus 2022. TPRA is suitable to be used in teaching English for young learning since it can improve student vocabulary, recitation, and reasoning ability. Octaviani and Esmatantia, 2018. Octaviani and Esmatantia, 2018. Sarda, 2020. This research about the use of TPRS in student reading skill needs to be developed since TPRS is considered effective to enhance student motivation to like printer. 2019. Will the student demonstrate the vocabulary benefits of TPRS? Limited research has justly examined its impacts on reading comprehension, especially in narrative text, creating a need for this current study. Teaching English in asynchronously five Lanza has been primarily to use the grammar translation method GTM, considering the characteristic and situation of the student. This method is not effective to be used in teaching writing, particularly in reading narrative text. The student tend to get bored and less motivated to English. Using GPM will let students to focus and rely on this translation rather than trying to understand what is in the text. That do not notice what vocabularies were translated and which grammar was used. In order to make students understand to reading narrative text, TPRS is a good way to be considered. The use of body movement, gesture, and facial expression important to be used. This I can be a good method to support the material input provided by text by using TPRS to a training of narrative text. The teaching learning process can be more interesting. The teacher can engage the student into the story by providing a large amount of contextualized comprehensible input CCE routes and interesting stories and asking personalized question answer PHI to be student. The grad student and Sampana grade 5 I still have difficulties in comprehending. Reading text is to the animates to look at the effectiveness of using TPRS in teaching reading, especially in teaching narrative text in their scripts. Example Negri 5 Langsa by using TPRST in faultless gesture, facial experience, and body movement will tell a story. So then, when it's easier to understand music and it's clear and language computational input in the form of story is important in order to create an interactive and communicative language class based on the background of the study above. The study aimed to examine how TPRS affects student reading skill. Furthermore, the study also aimed to determine student perspective towards the PRS. Thank you very much for your attention. I apologize if there was any mistakes. That's all from me. And see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.